Okay, so for the rest of the electrical system, we're going to be talking more about the battery and it's kind of the systems that are involved with this. I have wired up this, which unfortunately I can't show you right now because I have too much stuff in here. It's just a big, heavy on-off switch. I can use that switch to turn the entire system off. So you can see the wire comes off of the battery straight to the switch. It's a do not pass go, do not collect $200. Everything turns off. I'll turn that back on for the purpose of the rest of the video. After that, you continue on to this little critter right here. This is called a shunt. The shunt measures the electricity that's going into and out of the battery right at the source. The shunt is plugged into this unit. As you can see, it tells me how much percentage-wise is in the battery. This clock will tell me how long I have until, at the current rate of consumption, how much time I have until the battery is dead. This tells me watts, amps, and volts. So if I turn something on, I'll just turn the inverter on. You can see it boots right up. Now I do have solar going in, so it's going to fool a little bit as the solar is charging the battery at the same rate that the battery is being discharged at this point. But back down to the shunt. So the shunt is just along the negative battery line. These wires are the wires that go up to that indicator unit, and this little red wire is actually what powers the circuitry of the shunt. It just goes into a little bit of a loop and right there to the battery terminal. Classy little design. They did a great job on that, I think. Anyway, after that, you can see the battery wire goes right down to that black terminal bus. Then you got the big red wire that goes to the red battery terminal bus. And that's the entire battery side of things. That's everything that I've set up. Now, I do have some additional pieces on here that I'm unable to show you because, well, I just have a bunch of stuff in here. But on the other side of the desk, back in here, I have my solar charge controller, which looks just like that. You can see a couple of those plugs that I have that plug into the fuse box, and another household style alternating current plug that I use down here. It's hard to get to right now, so I have it plugged into that little power strip right there.